Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Google Chrome not opening. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So I'm using a different desktop, but you will have your computer and other app or icons right here, a shortcut created right here. And if you have a shortcut of Google Chrome, then simply right click on that. So I have it right here, so I'm gonna right click on it right here. Once you do that, here what you need to do is you'll get an option that says open file location. Now all you gotta do is simply click on it, and once you find that, all you gotta do is just simply right click on the app or application, and then you'll get a drop down. Now here all you gotta do is click on show more options, and once you do that, here a bunch of options, simply click on rename, and then all you gotta do now is just simply enter in anything you like simply one, and then save it. Now I don't have that problem, so I'm not gonna do it. Once you have done that, you'll be seeing Google Chrome 1, right? Now here all you gotta do is just simply right click on it again, and then you'll be getting an option to send the shortcut to the desktop. Now all you gotta do is just simply click on send shortcut to desktop, and once you do that, here all you gotta do is just simply go to your desktop, and then there you'll be seeing the newly created desktop shortcut. All you gotta do is delete the old one and then try again, and that will fix the issue. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching.